I'm here with my daughter today. What are we going to do?
So today we're going to be seeing if we could root a tomato plant and an orange tree. So this is all what we're using, including this over here. So
And why do we need alcohol?
we can disinfect our scissors before we take the cuts.
Okay, let's show them how. Now that they're clean, what are we going to do?
Next, we're gonna put our compost into these little cups here.
And now that that's done, what's next?
We're going to compact the soil where the orange cuts are going to go.
Next, you just got to put about an inch hole in each one. So I got my cuts. Had some old wood to new wood. Put in aloe vera, it's a natural rooting hormone. And I'm going to put it in some rooting powder. Shake the excess off. Put it in the hole. Compact it. Make a small cut. Cut the leaves in half so the plant diverts all its resources to rooting instead of growing. Normally you don't need rooting powder for any tomato plants, but we're just going to put it on there just to make it better. This one, we're just putting it flat. That's all it takes. This is what it should look like. Put a little water on them and then put the caps on. And don't put them in direct sunlight and give them a couple weeks.